Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you quick and easy recipe vermicelli delight. For that I have to take a vermicelli packet. I have to crush it with my hands first of all, little bit. Then I will put it in the chopper to make it crushed perfectly. I will put it in the chopper to make perfectly crushed. Then I will put it in the bowl. It's perfect consistency for our delight. Now I'm going to layer the butter here. I need just 50 gram, perfectly 50-gram butter for this delight. Let's measure it. Now I'm going to take the pan here to make the butter melt. I just take out some butter because I think I thought it was more than enough. It was enough for my delight. I'm going to melt it. Now I'm going to add vermicelli, chopped and crushed vermicelli here. Stir it, keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes here. Don't overcook. Now add a half cup of condensed milk and keep stirring more 2 to 3 minutes here to make it perfect consistency for our delight. There you go. Don't overcook. Now turn off the flame and make it cool down. Let's put it in the bowl to make it cool down. This is the perfect consistency we need for our delight. Just make it cool down a little bit so that we can make it shapes. Now I'm going to take the medicine measurement cup. It's a simple one. Everyone maybe have at home to make it shapes perfectly. Bite shapes, vermicelli bite shapes. There you go. You can make your own shapes whatever you want here. If you like my videos, please like and share my videos with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. There you go. How perfectly shaped they are. You want whatever you want to make them shape perfectly. Now you can garnish them with cashew, with nuts, with almonds, whatever you want to have. I just had the coconut powder here. I just garnished with the coconut powder. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and must try this amazing recipe. You guys will love it. And this video is especially for my US, Russian and South African viewers. Thank you so much for liking. Allah Hafiz.